With these original Jeep seatbelt sleeves, be careful, don't look at it weird. It might. Welcome back to New Parts Friday. One of the biggest frustrations when restoring a Wagoneer, Cherokee, or J-Truck is finding seatbelts that look and fit and feel right. Most aftermarket kits are universal, meaning close enough. The front buckles are usually too short, meaning you gotta use these extension brackets just to get them to work right. That's not how these interiors were meant to look. So we partnered with the only seatbelt manufacturer in the US that makes custom road certified seatbelts, meeting federal motor vehicle safety standards. That means that these are fully legal for the road, not repurposed or generic hardware. These are built to factory correct dimensions, which means no adapter brackets, no guesswork, just a perfect direct fit for your old Jeep.
Unlike the universal kits out there, our kits come standard with lap belts included. No add-ons, no adapters. And for even greater safety, we offer optional rear 3-point seat belts, giving you a complete road-certified system for your classic Jeep.
We didn't stop at the belts. This kit also includes our re-engineered seatbelt sleeves, the part that guides the belt through the seat. The originals were brittle and prone to cracking, so we redesigned ours from the ground up. They're 3D printed, true to original size, made out of a durable material that's paint absorbent, meaning you can paint it to match your interior or have us do it for you. The kit comes in black, tan, burgundy, nutmeg, or navy blue. You pick the belt color and you can choose to have your sleeves painted to match. Everything is precision built and ships ready to install. Finally, seat belts that fit your Jeep the way they should. No more hacks, no extenders, no cracked sleeves. Available now on JeepHeritage.com.